Hey everyone, welcome back. Updated to iOS 18 and your battery is draining fast? You're not alone. Today, I'll show you why and how to fix it. First things first, don't panic. It's normal for your iPhone's battery to take a hit after an update like iOS 18. Your phone is running background tasks to optimize the new software. It's like your phone needs a little coffee after an update. Check settings. Battery for device setup and updates consuming power. This is temporary and things should get back to normal. But I know, we're all impatient. Here are a few quick tweaks to boost your battery life. Tip 1. Lower your screen brightness. Swipe down and adjust the slider. Your eyes and battery will thank you. Tip 2. Switch to dark mode. On OLED screens, it makes a big difference. Another tip, reset your network settings. It can work wonders for your battery life. Outdated apps can drain your battery. Update all your apps in the App Store. You'll be surprised how much this helps. If your battery is still suffering, it's time to do a little detective work. Track down misbehaving apps. Go to Settings, then Battery, and check Battery Usage by App. If an app uses too much battery, take action. Disable background activity in Settings General, Background App Refresh. If your iPhone is 3 years or older, go to Settings, then Battery Health and Charging, and check Maximum Capacity. If it's under 80%, consider a battery replacement. Sometimes the only solution is to wait. Apple releases bug fixes after major updates, so keep your phone updated. These updates often address battery issues. And there you have it. Your battery should be back on track in no time. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips. See you in the next video.